What's up, Brad Nation? It's your girl Kylie and I am back with another video. And in this video I'm just gonna show you how I make my keychain glosses. Yes, this is not on my website yet, but I wanted to share like a cute way to put your glosses, just a simple cute way to like style your glosses and all that stuff. So as you could tell already, I'm already putting my oils in, and really this video is just going to be answering some of y'all questions and showing y'all how I make my glosses once again. So yeah, anyways, one of the questions I get all the time is, do I have to use grapeseed oil or coconut oil? No, you can use any type of oil you want. Obviously it has to be good for you and edible because you are putting it on your lips. But yeah, you don't have to use grapeseed oil, you do not have to use coconut oil, you can use any oil you want. And yeah, another question that I get is where I get my labels. I get this question a lot and I've mentioned it a lot, but I do get my labels off of Rainbow Labels. It's off of Etsy or Etsy, I don't know how to say it, but I'll put a picture up on what it looks like, and that's where I get my labels from. And yeah, oh, and for the coconut oil, you do not have to use coconut oil like that's already liquid, because in the stores those are expensive. They're like $13 to $20. So you can use regular coconut oil and melt it down. I got organic coconut oil, and when it melts it turns clear and it doesn't harden up again. So that's the kind of coconut oil I use, and I do not put it in the microwave. I put it over a steam pot, and it easily melts. The reason why I don't put it inside the microwave is because I heard if you put it in the microwave, it turns it bad and it's like useless after that. I don't know, but yeah, I put it over a steam pot and it melts really quickly. So here I'm just adding more Versagel because my consistency was a little too liquidy for my liking, so I just added a little bit more. And in this video I'm going to be mixing colors, the pink and the red, to see what I make. It actually comes out really cute, and it kind of looks like the red gloss I have on my website, which I named, and I'm gonna put the girl who named it the best. I kind of forgot all about that, I'm sorry, but I'm still gonna shout her out, and I'm still gonna put her name in there. But yeah, it kind of looks like the red gloss, but it's really not. It's actually a pink red. Like, it has like the red when you look at it all together, but when you put it on your lips it's actually really like pink, and it's actually really cute. So yeah, that's the gloss we're going for today, and I was really just experimenting when I did it, so yeah. So here I'm adding the coloring in, and here I'm putting baby pink in, and then the next color is the red 6. So people ask me, what is the difference between the dyes and the lip colors? So the lip colors are stating that these are for your lips and safe to use on your lips. That's why they're called lip colors. And the dyes are basically overall colors, like you can use them for practically anything. You see on the website they use it for bath salt, for the soaps, bath bombs, and so forth, but you just have to pay attention to the description and the ingredients. In the descriptions it tells you what the product is good for. For instance, it would say eyes, lips, and skin, what you can use the product for. And for the baby pink, that's exactly what it said. It said it's safe to use for your lips, and so you just have to really read the description, and it tells you exactly what the product is good for. It's not only, you know, just for one thing, you can use it for multiple things. So yeah, that's all you have to do is pay attention to. Majority of the colors on there are safe for your skin and your lips. So yeah, you just have to read it. I think it was mixed with like a certain red and glycerin or something like that, which are not bad ingredients. So yeah, you just have to really just pay attention to the description. It tells you everything. So here I'm just mixing all the colors, well, both of the colors. And here you can see I am using a medicine syringe. Yes, I am using a medicine syringe. And reason being is, one, because I ran out of the big syringes, and two, I did not feel comfortable ordering syringes from someone during the whole pandemic thing. I am just trying to keep myself safe and everybody else safe. And yes, it does come in packages like the one I have on the table, because I got that at CVS. But I still didn't feel comfortable ordering off of like a website from someone else. Yes, I did clean it with soap and water, and then I sprayed alcohol over it just for, you know, an extra cleanse. And then I'm trying to fit the pipette on the syringe, so I had to cut the other side where it gets smaller to fit it on the syringe. It works as the same exact thing, it's just smaller, and you cannot like spoon it inside how I'm trying to do it, because it would not go inside at all. You have to like suck it out from the other end. And yeah, but it works the same. It got the job done, obviously. And yeah, so you just gotta work with what you have. Obviously I'm not ashamed of using a medicine syringe, because it's all the same thing. So another thing I got asked was, where do I get my my tubes? And I get my tubes off of Amazon. I have Amazon Prime, so they come to me pretty quickly. But yeah, that's where I get them from, Amazon. The squeeze tubes, I got them for $14 for 80, and I thought that was actually really pretty good for 80 tubes. So yeah, and I got them in like 2 days. For the wand tubes, I think they were like 10 in a pack for $8 or $9, I'm not sure. I put pictures up, but I thought that was okay enough. I mean, they weren't really like a good deal, but those were for a custom pack, and I had extras laying around, so I just ended up using them. So yeah, but I mean, you can find tubes off of DH Gates, AliExpress. There's different websites you can find good quality tubes for a good price, but where I get mine is off of Amazon, because I know it's coming in like 2 to 3 days. And yeah, so that's where I get my stuff from, but there's other good websites you can get them off of. Another question I get asked is, how many tubes can I make out of one pack of Versatile, which I think is like 5.5 ounces or so. It just depends on your consistency. So if your consistency is more liquidy, you tend to produce more products, so you have more, you know, product to distribute out into tubes. If you have a more thicker consistency, you'll have less product, meaning you can fill up less tubes. It's just basic ratios. Mine's is like in between, so I can fill up a good amount of tubes with one pack. So here I am just sanitizing my tablecloth, and then I am sanitizing the lip glosses, just for, you know, to get the stickiness off, the rest of the stickiness off, and to just sanitize them. So here I'm gonna show you how I make my keychain lip glosses. I thought of this idea because I seen it somewhere, and I was like, those are really cute. But then when I looked up the gloss tubes with the little holes at the end, they were a little pricey. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna DIY this and see how it goes. And the first time I did it, it was actually really cute, and I liked it. So I'm actually gonna continue making these and actually put them on my website. And so basically, you just want to get a sharp knife or a sharp tool, like an X-Acto knife, or however you say it, and you're going to go on the very corner of the gloss, and you're just going to puncture it just a little tiny hole, and do not make it where it's like vertically like hole, but like you want to make the hole wide but not like vertically. You want to make it wide horizontally, if that makes sense. I'm trying to make sense of this to show you how exactly how I make it, and where like the keychain doesn't break through the lip gloss. So yeah, so you want to make a hole but horizontally wide, not vertically wide, where it can just like rip off and you won't have the keychain on there. So yeah, that's what I do with the lip gloss. Sometimes you have to just try to fit it on there. If it doesn't go on, you just make it more wide horizontally, and it should go on the second time that you do it. Make sure you do front and back. So when you make the hole on the front, make sure you go towards the back and make the hole. Where I get the little keychains from is AliExpress. I think I got them for like $1 or so. They were pretty inexpensive. I'm pretty sure you can get these at the dollar store or even the beauty supply, but you know how they tax sometimes. So yeah, that's where I got mine from. I think they were pretty cute. I'm gonna get more colors because the only colors I had was white, but I'm gonna get more colors, and I'm actually gonna get like letters too, and I might add more lip glosses to the chain, so it could be like two lip glosses on one keychain, something like that. I'm still deciding what I'm gonna do, but that's exactly how it looks. Then I'm gonna put like little cute sticker rhinestones on the caps of the lip glosses, and basically you are done. And that's all I do for my lip glosses. Here I'm putting my stickers on, and yeah, then I'm done. At the end of the video, I'm gonna show y'all a few close-ups outside, just to show you the color and how it looks in some pictures and videos. But this is the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, please join the Brat Nation. And yeah, if you like these videos and want more like these, please comment down below, and I will definitely deliver that to you. And yeah, these should be up on my website pretty soon, so keep an eye out. And I am definitely doing a giveaway once I hit 4K subscribers, so watch out for that. And I hope you guys have a lovely day and be safe out there during this quarantine. And I love you guys, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace.